Bangkok, Thailand's Nana Plaza, previously known as Nana Entertainment Plaza, is a red light district and entertainment complex. Nana Plaza, located in Bangkok's Klong Toei district, is a three-story commercial building that was originally constructed as a shopping center. It is roughly 300 meters from Nana Station on the BTS Skitron. It bills itself as the largest adult playground in the world. Its name comes from the wealthy and powerful Nana family, of which Lek Nana was the most notable member. Nana Plaza is one of Bangkok's three most densely populated red light districts, along with Swa Khao Boi and Pat Pung. All draw mostly tourists. The U-shaped structure of the plaza is about square in shape, with one opening on the west side, and is made up of 2 stories grouped around a courtyard on top of a ground floor. In the late 1970s, it began as a restaurant and retail center. A few go-go bars started to pop up in the early 1980s, eventually taking the place of the stores and eateries. Approximately 20 go-go bars had opened in the 3-level court by the middle of the 1980s, capitalizing on the growth of nearby tourist hotels. When the land was inherited by 7 sisters who had no interest in a red light district, Nana Plaza was sold in 2012 to a Thai JVC company, Nana Partners Co Limited, which was jointly owned by FICO Corporation and Panthera Group, formerly known as Eclipse Group, one of Thailand's largest bar and nightclub operators, for an estimated $25 million. After the property was restored, Panthera Group took over as landlord and started offering management and security services. On the top floor are 3 short-term hotels, one recently remodeled. Short-term hotels allow customers to hire rooms for as long as an hour in order to have sex with a bargirl. Once a bar fine is paid, the majority of Nana Plaza's bargirls will depart with their patrons. Indoor smoking is prohibited. Elevators may be found on both the north and south sides of the structure. At 3 p.m., the building closes and is abandoned until the next evening. 2 waitresses at the Bangkok Bunnies Go-Go bar in the plaza reported receiving tips of between $14 and $20 per day and a monthly salary of $165 in 2016. In contrast, the average monthly salary in Thailand in 2016 was approximately 13,800 baht, $388. In July 2019, Nana Plaza had 3 hotels and 30 bars. In Nana Plaza, there were 7 Kathoi, or Ladyboy, bars as of July 2019. A few more bars feature a combination of ordinary go-go dancers and ladyboys in their lineups. Let's now talk about Khao San Road's nightlife. Among the most well-liked bars is Gulliver's Travelers Tavern, a brand that also has locations in Sukhumvit and Pattaya. You may enjoy a local beer, play pool, take in live music, watch big-screen international football matches, play video games and even eat international cuisine like steak and hamburgers in this bar. The Brick Bar, ranked among the top 5 pubs on Khao San Road, hosts free live music events every week. The entrance cost is 300 baht per person on weekends. On Khao San Road, the club is arguably the most well-known disco. Typically, the DJ plays house and techno music. Although there is typically no admission charge, on some evenings 200 baht will be requested, which will include a drink. Between 22 and 3 in the morning, they are open. There isn't a strict clothing code to follow. Since everyone's paperwork is examined at the door, don't forget to bring a duplicate of your passport. The Superflow Beach Club's sand-covered floors and lounge chairs will make you feel as though you're at the beach. Considering that it's a disco, alcohol is included in the ticket of 90 baht when it opens at midnight. There are plenty of bars and clubs where you can spend the evenings. I advise you to visit Khao San Road and see which ones you like most. There are options to suit all preferences and price ranges. A word of caution: keep an eye up when strolling along Khao San Road. A few bars, such as the Roof Bar, offer great live music but are situated on the 2nd floor and have little entrances on the street that are difficult to see if you are not looking. Let's now examine Siam. Siam offers a plethora of activities and is situated in the heart of Bangkok. Since BTS Siam Station serves as an interchange, a significant number of people pass through it every day. It's easy to explore the region. If you're staying close, strolling is a great option, but you can also get here by BTS, taxi, or tuk-tuk. Without a doubt, Siam is the epicenter of Bangkok shopping, harboring some of the city's most well-known and significant shopping complexes, including MBK Center, Siam Discovery Center, Siam Center, and Siam Paragon. In addition to markets and retail centers, this region has family-friendly attractions. At Siam Ocean World, you may get up close and personal with a variety of aquatic species, or you can spend the afternoon at Madame Tussauds, the world-famous wax museum, posing with your favorite celebrities. Siam's nightlife is centered largely on the assortment of rooftop bars atop illustrious hotels. Don't judge a book by its cover. Even though Siam may not appear particularly bustling at night after the malls close at 10 p.m., Siam Square's iconic Hard Rock Cafe offers a taste of Americana when it comes to live music. Coco Walk offers a variety of vibrant pubs, music venues, and late-night dining options for those looking to party with the locals. There are also movie theaters, bowling alleys, karaoke bars, and street performers available after dark. While there aren't many drinking establishments in Siam, there are still a few tucked away that are popular with the city's younger, trendier residents. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to see more as they are released, please subscribe to this channel. Please hit the like button too.